Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 msteams.exe bad image Teams error. First method is open File Explorer, click 3 dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show Hidden Files and Folders. Open Program Files, Windows Apps. Click Security tab. Type everyone, click Check Names. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Rename Microsoft Teams folder to Microsoft Teams_old. Restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps, click Installed Apps, type Teams. Repair and reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Uninstall Microsoft Teams. Type Microsoft Teams. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.